How to process quickly a client. It is very easy. First, you click the Enter Client button right there. Then I enter the data of the client. Enter the Social Security, don't forget the dashes, and also the date of birth. Don't forget the forward slashes. Then you save. Second step, you are gonna click Enter 2. Select the credit report provider like Identity IQ, ProCredit, Privacy Guard, and Smart Credit. We recommend Identity IQ. You enter the username and password as provided by your client. Then the last 4 digits of the Social Security. Also, it's possible that the person, instead of having a Social Security, have a security word. In that case, you're gonna put the security word instead. You click Save, and then the third step. You just click there. Extract disputes, and the program in a few seconds will extract everything. In this case, we have extracted 41 disputes. As you can see, not only the creditor, the accounts, the empty ones are inquiries, the date that opened, the amount, the one line per dispute for the bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Most importantly, the letters, the reasons, and also the dispute types. This is the basic, and then you can continue learning the system with other helps. Thanks.